In this video, I'll show you how you can easily find your Facebook friends on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then hit add to that heart icon. After that, scroll down to the very bottom until you see all suggestions. Just tap on it. Then you will be taken to Discover People page, and at the very top you can easily find Continue As and your Facebook username. So first off, you need to connect your Facebook and Instagram. Just hit add connect, and after that just refresh Discover People page, and as long as your Facebook and Instagram profiles are connected to each other, you will be able to find your Facebook friends at Discover People tab on Instagram. Just scroll down to search for your friends. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.